Okay, so we're at the Yamato's Habachi in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. I'm still on the road. Beautiful daughter. Over there. Her food getting cold. She played too much. So I got the, it's called a star roll with the yum yum sauce and some vegetables. Hibachi vegetables. Your chicken look good.
Yeah, I like this glazed, whatever they put on there.
Good. Talk about some of the stuff you don't like in this little town. It's right there.
What, Mom?
Talk about some of the stuff that if you could change it in this little town, what would you change?
They need more stuff for these kids.
They need more things for the kids. More programs and stuff.
Yes. More centers, rec centers, stuff like that.
So do you think with the new mayor that's possible? You can go to a town meeting?
I'm praying so.
Huh?
I'm hoping something change.
Well, you have to attend the meeting. You're going to go to the town meeting. You start looking at the paper when they announce it. It's a town meeting. And you make that suggestion. I think it's a good idea because it'll create jobs.
Yeah, even for some of the teenagers. They can help. Keep some of them from being pregnant in 6th grade.
A good point. That's a good point. Ooh. Get over here.
That's a mushroom.
That's so good.
Is that a mushroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have said no mushrooms.
Put them up here on my plate. Why not mushrooms? I was going to say extra mushrooms and forgot. But, yeah, that's a good point. Just attend y'all's town meeting.
Habachi Mukbang.
Habachi Mukbang. I gotta use Bear's microphone so it'll go loud. But
Mirror and them just did one.
I seen it. I'm gonna order a portable one. I'm glad. She did good. They talk too much. That's the only thing about the girls. They were talking too much. You're supposed to eat more, talk less. I'm supposed to hear the sounds. Yum yum sauce. Still a piece of my daughter's chicken. So delicious. This place got a good review. It's very clean. So, over there, you can see it. Yamatos. Hey, Yamato. So, alright, I'm gonna finish eating. Bye. Say bye. Bye.